Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guy, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today we're going to talk about what should you do if somebody reaches out to you and asks for a discount. Now, I made another video that talks about why somebody does that in the first place. So I'm going to link to that down below for you in the video description. You can check that out. Hint, there are things that you can do to reduce how often somebody might reach out to you and ask for a discount. But today we're going to talk about what to do when they do that. Okay, so the first thing is you can have this already kind of nipped in the bud if you have a strategy in place to handle these types of requests. And the best way that you can do that is by having an email list and already offering a discount as an incentive for signing up for your email list. So it's kind of like a win-win. They sign up for your email list and they get that discount that they want. Now, I'm not going to go too much in depth right now about how to start an email list, but I do always recommend that if you're brand new to having an email list, check out MailChimp. They're really simple to use. It's an easy interface and it's free to get started up to a certain threshold of subscribers. So I think it's a really great first platform, and that's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just, my recommendation based on my experience. I started on MailChimp. I've since switched to ConvertKit, which just allows more flexibility for what I am trying to accomplish. But MailChimp is a great one to get started on, and I'll link to that for you below. And if you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to my channel because I do plan on making some more videos in the upcoming future about having an email list, how to do that. And then if you click the little bell after you subscribe, that will notify you anytime a new video comes out too. Just a little tip. Okay, so what if you don't have an email list with an incentive for somebody to sign up as a discount? If you're not at that point in your business, that's totally fine. We all are at different points in our businesses. So that might seem like something far out of your reach right now and not a really valid idea, and that's perfectly fine. So what do you do in that case if somebody reaches out to you and asks for a discount? Well, it really comes down to your best business decision. What is it they're asking for a discount on? Is it something that you want to offer a discount for? Has it been sitting around for a long time? Are you trying to get rid of it? Is your profit still going to be worth it to you? And make sure that you're pricing your items in a way that does allow you to give discounts. If not to the individual people who reach out to you and ask for it, then when you are participating in a sale or running your own sale, if your items are priced at a place that you are making a good profit already, then you will be able to offer that discount. One additional thing that you can try if it makes sense for you in your particular situation is by letting the person that reached out to you asking for a discount know that, for example, if they spend over $50 in your shop, then you'd be happy to offer them a 10% discount on their total purchase. That might encourage them to spend a little bit more to get that discount. If you're comfortable with that, it's going to vary depending on your business, your shop, the particular situation. And as always, you want to make your best business decision. So I hope that helped. If you'd like to sign up to get my free secret tips and tricks especially for my YouTube listeners like you can go to VintagepreneurUniversity.com/secret, and I'll link that in the description for you down below as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.